Good morning and welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be staying in the apartment so that I can study. But I have a class later. I'll do a voiceover version for all of my videos para hindi naman laging mukha ko yung nakikita nyo. So this is the view outside. Nasa Ortigas Business Center ako. So, maganda yung location na napili ko for my unit. And, tipid. Tipid yung location na meron ako. So, these are my notebooks, school stuff. Itong pinaka lagi kong binabasa, civil code. Kasi major subject namin, persons and family law, ngayong first sem. I also have crim and consti. Consti, okay siya. Pero, okay naman yung prof dyan eh. And, mas madali yung concepts dyan since Bill of Rights yung focus. But, for this semester, talagang persons and family law. Kiniklaim ko naman pasado ko sa lahat eh. Pero syempre, talagang doble, triple effort to read all the cases, concepts, yung understanding, how to answer. So there, those are the other stuff pa. And, syempre, magbe-breakfast muna tayo. Lalagyan ko lang ng butter yung pan. Kutsilyo lang ata ginamit ko dyan. Tapos, yung bread. Yun na yung breakfast ko. Brunch actually, kasi parang di ato ako dito nag-lunch. So, dahil voice over lang ginagawa natin, ihit ko yung pan. Tapos, alagay ko yung butter, tsaka yung tinapay. Ganun naman kasimple. Wala naman ng iba. But, I like this breakfast kasi mabigat sa tiyan. So, next na gutom ka na nito, 1 or 2 na. Minsan kasi, I just eat some cupcake every morning. Pero iba kapag tinapay talaga yung kinakain mo, mas nakakabusog. So, yan. Sorry, kutsilyo na yung gamit ko. Yaan nyo na. Heat lang natin, tapos lagay na natin yung parang sourdough bread na nabili ko sa French baker. So, yan. Morning vlog. Let's have breakfast na. Kaso nalalaglag yung camera ko. Against the light. Wait lang. There we go. Natin. Lagyan ko ng cheese. Kailangan lagyan ng cheese. Time check. We're still studying. Makakapag-vlog na ako dito sa unit. Meron na ako netong phone stand. So happy. Ang tagal ko siyang binuo. Sabaw na ako pero finally, meron tayo. Testing natin. Hindi ko na na-film yung iba. So I have to insert this video before ending the vlog. And this week up until next. So throughout the month of September, dun magaganap yung lahat ng midterm exams namin. Tapos, in 2 months time, finals na. Ganun bilis na tapos yung first sem. So, nangangarag ako and kinakabahan ako, to be honest, with the examination. Kasi, alam mo yung first time mo, and even though there are sample questions that you can check online, iba kasi kapag andun ka na sa mismong exam, yung kung anong ibibigay sa inyo ng prof. So, kabado talaga ako sobra. I've been studying and taking a break from work for the past days. Natatakot na rin ako sa trabaho ko, pero kailangan kong i-survive muna tong darating na exam for my major subject kasi nakakakaba talaga kasi yung major, tapos sa Sunday na yung exam. So, I'm on leave today but I still have a class later. Yung class ko later, Consti tsaka Philo. Pero parang ayoko nang pasukan yung Philo kasi gusto ko na lang mag-aral and to check other questions, tapos kung yung practice on how to answer, ganyan. I also don't know ilan yung coverage ng exam ng pag ganito. Kasi, if I refer to the answers and mga news dun sa mga higher batches, para kasing 2 pages lang siya. And matagal yung exam eh. So, 2 pages lang siya. So, ina-assume ko, parang ang konti lang. But yeah, nakakakaba sa totoo lang. Pero, iba talaga yung kaba ko kasi it's my first time. Tapos yung first exam pa namin, yung pinaka-major na subject pa. So yeah, super crazy September. Ito yung parang nakakakaba na sa lahat kasi ito na yung isa sa mga major exam. So I really need to prepare. Kasi minsan, kahit na nabasa mo na and you've exerted so much effort in reading and rereading the provisions, pwedeng yung retention and yung interpretation mo dun sa law hindi tama, or hindi masyadong deep yung understanding mo. So, kailangan mo siyang ulitin ng ulitin. Anyway, I'll be ending the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll be staying in the unit lang for the rest of the day. Tapos tomorrow wala kaming class. Friday we have a class. Saturday wala kaming class for that major subject kasi exam week na namin. Kumbaga ceasefire siya, ganyan. So, I only have Consti and StatCon talaga na for this week na kailangan kong i-squeeze in. So, yun. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye!